Now we're going to look at a couple of quick ways of changing the way that your blog looks. It might be that you chose a theme out of the box when you first set up the blog and passed over the options to customize that, or to choose a different theme that better reflects what you want to say and the content of your site. Before we do that, let's just have a quick look at settings, because a common question is, how do I change the strapline or the name of the blog as it appears on the site? And if you click on settings and under general settings, you can change the site title to your preferred title, change the tagline. Sometimes if that'll default to something like just another WordPress blog, which is not maybe the kind of impression that you're looking to give. You might want to express that strapline that says something about the nature of the content on your site. The other big change is in appearance, and there's several options under this menu, including widgets that we'll explore later, which allow you to pull through feeds from other sites, put on bespoke content like Facebook like buttons and the like. But for now, if you just click on the themes option, and then you'll revisit that gallery that you were presented with when you first set up the blog, something that you might have just passed over just to get set up as quickly as possible, and you'll see that there's premium options as well as free options. For the purposes of this module, obviously we're going to keep things free, and you can just browse through these. You can also use the search function if you have specific requirements, like you want, say, a carousel to display the top story on a rotation basis on the front of your site. So the best way to explore this is by just having a look, trying them on for size, previewing the themes, and just see how your content looks with different designs, different formations. So if I have a look at just one, for example, let's just pick one at random. I'm going to look for one that's free, so it hasn't got a premium logo. And let's say this one here. I can look at a live preview of this theme, which is called Publish, and it'll basically take all of the content on my blog as it stands and then showcase it in the new theme. It might look pretty ugly. One thing to bear in mind is that with WordPress, there's a little bit of trial and error in terms of where content is pushed, so menus might pop up in a different location. So don't be too disheartened if it doesn't look quite as you hoped it would when you first fire up a new theme. You can always start playing with the content, and you can of course change it anytime. So I might decide that I want to save and activate this theme and go with it, or cancel and go back into the menu and have another look. It's actually one of the most fun parts of WordPress, is just having a little play around with the different themes and deciding what best expresses what your blog is all about.